Hello dear students, my name is Lakhi Ahuja and I am your EVS teacher. So students, we completed our chapter 2 named Migration of Families, and today in part 5 of this chapter we are going to solve the practice questions of this chapter. Let's start. So the first question here is, according to this chapter, what are the reasons due to which people leave their homes? So this is the first question, that according to this chapter, what we have learnt in this chapter, what we have seen in this chapter, what are the reasons due to which people leave their homes or people migrate from their original residence to some other place. So we have seen some stories there in this chapter, and in those stories we have seen the reasons of migration of families from their original place to some other place. So let's see the answer. Drought, higher education, employment and construction of dams. So we have seen all these things in different stories also. In Santu's story, we have seen that Santu's family migrated from their village to some other village due to drought. In Dheeraj's story, we have seen that their family migrated due to getting higher education for their children. And there was one more story, the Govindran's story, where we have seen that the family migrated from their original village to city for getting good employment opportunities. So these are the reasons due to which people leave their homes and they migrate from one place to another place. Let's move to next question. Question number 2. Apart from the reasons mentioned in this chapter, what are the other possible reasons due to which people migrate to settle at other places? So here is the question, that apart from the reasons mentioned in the chapter, which we have seen in question 1, we have seen in the answer of question 1. So what are other possible reasons due to which people migrate to settle at other places? So answer of this question is that following are the other possible reasons due to which people migrate to settle at other places. So one of them is flood, then second is like earthquake, and the third one is lack of facilities in their own village or the place at which they are already living. तो बच्चों, यहाँ चैप्टर में हमने देखा कि कई सारे कारणों से परिवार एक स्थान से दूसरे नए स्थान पर चले जाते हैं, और वो कारण हमने पहले प्रश्न के उत्तर में देखे. यहाँ प्रश्न पूछा था कि और कौन कौन से कारणों से लोग या परिवार एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान पर प्रवास के लिए जाते हैं. तो कुछ कारण हो सकते हैं बाढ़, भूकंप या सुख सुविधाओं की कमी, and there can be many other reasons. So you can write some more reasons in your notebook. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. When people settle down at a new place, what problems they have to face during the process? So when people settle down at a new place, when they migrate from their own village or their own residence to a new residence, to a new place, what kind of problems they have to face? So answer, following are the problems which people have to face while they settle down at a new place. So there are some problems which people generally face when they settle down at a new place. So first thing is problem of searching the residence. So when a family or a person moves from one place to another place, he has to find out some residence to live at that new place. So there is a problem of searching for the residence. Then the second problem is problem of adjusting in the new environment. So a new place is having different kind of environment than the previous one. So a family or a person which migrates to a new place, he has to adjust in the new environment, he has to find out the work in that new place, he has to adjust to the neighborhood, he has to adjust to the things going around at the new place. Then the third thing is problem of understanding and remembering new paths. So a person when moves to a new place, then he also faces a problem of understanding and remembering the new paths he has to go और he has to follow. तो बच्चों यहाँ आपने ये देखा कि जब कोई परिवार या कोई व्यक्ति एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान पर जाता है, वहाँ रहने के लिए पहुंचता है, तो उसे कुछ समस्याओं का सामना करना पड़ता है। सबसे बड़ी बात कि उसे रहने के लिए एक नई जगह, एक नया घर ढूंढना पड़ता है, उसे नया काम ढूंढना पड़ता है और उसके अलावा उस नई जगह का नया जो वातावरण है उस सबके साथ उसे समायोजन करना सीखना होता है। और तीसरी चीज़ यहाँ ये है कि वहाँ उस नई जगह पर उसे नए नए रास्ते याद रखने पड़ते हैं, कौन सी जगह कहाँ है, कैसे जाना है, ये सब भी उसे सीखना पड़ता है। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दीज आर सम ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स विच वन हैज़ टू फेस व्हेन ही और शी और द फैमिली moves from their original residence to a new place. You can also add some other problems which are faced when a family or a person moves from their original residence or original place to another place. So this was all about your chapter 2. We have completed the practice questions of this chapter also, and we have learned this chapter. So we will meet in the next video for chapter 3. Thank you for watching.